Hey, everyone, it's time to talk about the future of AI and how it's revolutionizing industries. But wait, there's a colorful twist to it all. Today, we're diving into Crayo AI, the game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to Crayo AI, the next big thing in AI technology. What sets Crayo AI apart is its innovative approach to color and creativity, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Let's address the elephant in the room. Traditional AI models often struggle with color perception and creativity. This limitation hinders their ability to produce visually engaging and diverse outputs. But fear not, as Crayo AI is here to offer a solution to this challenge. So, how does Crayo AI work its magic? By leveraging advanced algorithms and deep learning techniques, Crayo AI has mastered the art of generating colorful and creative outputs like never before. Its capabilities far surpass those of conventional AI systems, opening up new possibilities in the realm of AI-generated content. Now, it's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's do a side-by-side comparison of outputs from Crayo AI and traditional AI models. The difference in creativity and color diversity is truly striking, showcasing Crayo AI's unparalleled ability to bring imagination to life in vibrant hues. In summary, Crayo AI is a game changer with the potential to revolutionize the design and art industries. Its innovative approach to color and creativity paves the way for endless possibilities in AI-generated content. The future looks bright, with Crayo AI leading the charge towards a more colorful and imaginative world. If you're as excited about AI technology as we are, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on groundbreaking innovations like Crayo AI. Share your thoughts on Crayo AI in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take on the future of colorful AI. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech adventures.